friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to learn about G72 bolt holes along an angle for CNC Milling Program. What is mean by G72? G72 makes it easy for a CNC machine to drill, bore, tap evenly spaced holes along an angle. Evenly spaced holes means this is one hole, this is second hole, this is third hole. This distance and this distance should be same. This is 20 means this value should be 20. So evenly spaced holes along an angle. Along an angle means this is the angle, right? This is some angle. So along an angle. You see here in this bolt holes along an angle. That's why this is angular comes. How you will write this code? G72 IJL. I stands for distance between holes. You see here distance between holes. This is I. What is J? First hole. First hole is angular. Starting position and is always 0 to 360 degrees counterclockwise from the 3 o'clock position. You see here counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is it comes plus positive value. J value comes positive. If you will do clockwise direction in this program, so it comes minus for J value. You see here this is some degree comes 30 or 45. 0 to this is starts from 0 to 360 degree counterclockwise. It goes this way, not this way. This way means it comes minus. It goes counterclockwise. That time it comes plus. J value comes plus. 3 o'clock position means this is 1. Here is one circle is there. This is 2. This is 3. This is from the 3 o'clock position. So counterclockwise from 3 o'clock position. So it goes this to this. The angle goes this to this way. This is called J. You see first hole starting position. This is the first hole starting position is J. So first hole starting position, we will take angular starting position. So this angular, we will take this is 30 means this is the J30. You have to write J30. Why means we have to take counterclockwise, right? That's why J30. L, number of evenly spaced holes. You see already I told no, this is 20 means this is also 20. Number of evenly spaced holes. You see this drawing, starting point is given here. First we will draw XY plane. This is plus X, this is plus Y, minus X. Now we will write X and Y value. You see X is in which direction? This direction, right? So plus 6.5. Y is in which direction? Minus. It goes down, right? So minus 15. X is plus 6.5. Y is minus 15. You see in this case, this is starting point 0, right? For angular. 20 degree goes counterclockwise direction. So J value is plus 20. Hole to hole distance, this is I. Distance between the holes, this is I. Is 5. This is also 5, this is also 5. Evenly spaced holes, right? How many holes is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes is there. Now we will write the program. M01, M012. M012 is clamping the workpiece. M02 M06 T01. M06 is tool change, T01 is tool number. We'll take dia 2.5 mm. N03 M03 S1000. M03 is spindle on, S1000 is spindle speed. You see here this is 2.5 mm, right? So this whole dia is 2.5. Next, N04 G70, G21, G80, G54, G49. G17 is XY plane, G21 dimensions in mm, all dimensions in mm. G80 can cycle cancel, G54 work coordinate system, G49 tool length compensation cancel. N05 Z90 Z00 X 6.5 Y minus 15. Z90 is absolute mode, Z00 rapid position, X 6.5. You see X value 6.5, right? Starting hold is, so X 6.5. Y is minus 15. N06 G43 H01 Z10 M08. Z43 is tool length compensation on, H01 height offset. You see here the tool number is given T01 now. The same code you have to give for tool length compensation height, right? H01. You have to give H02, your program is wrong. So you have to do it carefully. T01 means H01, T02 means H02. Z10 means 10 mm above the workpiece. This is the workpiece. This is 0. Z is 0 value. 10 mm above means the tool is here only. This is Z10. M08 coolant on. M07 Z99 Z81 Z minus 5 R2 F100. This material thickness is 5 mm. That's why given minus 5. R2 is retract value. F100 is feed rate. What is G99 code? Already taught in the last video. Now we will see it again. G99 is after reaching the drilling depth, tool return to the retract point level after each canned cycle operation. This is the workpiece. This is Z0. Up to here, this portion is 2. We given 2, right? So this is 2. This is retract plane or R plane, this position. After that, this portion is initial level. Initial level is G98. Retract position is G99. Now tool is here. This comes this side. This is first position. After that comes to this way up to retract level. This is second one. After that it comes to drill holes. This is third position. After that return back to retract level or initial level. But in this case we given G99, so it goes to retract position only. If we will give G98 means what happens? It goes till initial level. The same way G81. What happens first? This is the tool. Rapid transfer to the specified X and Y axis position. It's the drilling position. This is the drilling position, first one. Second one, rapid transfers to the over plane position or retract plane position, right? This is second one. Third one, what happens? Drilling with specified feed from the over plane position to Z depth position. Specified feed is we given 100, right? Depth is Z depth is -5. This is depth. After that, what happens? It goes to rapid transfers to the retract position. G99 is goes to retract. If we will give G98 means what happens? It goes till initial level. R2 is distance between the workpiece and the retract position. This value is 2 mm. Next, N08. G72 I what we will write? You see 555 distance between the holes. So 5 mm. J20 angular position is 20. L7. L is holes. How many holes are there? Number of holes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N09. G80. Z00 is at 10. Z80 is can't cycle, cancel. Z00. Z00 is rapid position, is at 10, is above the workpiece. N10. M09. Coolant off. N11. M05. Spindle off. N12. M30. End of the program and rewind. Thanks for watching this video.